What if the biggest reason you struggle with money is not how much you earn, but what you believe about money? In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki shares lessons he learned from two father figures. His own father, called Poor Dad, believed in getting good grades, finding a safe job, and working hard for a salary. His friend's father, called Rich Dad, taught him a different way to think about money. The main lesson is simple. Don't work only for money. Learn how to make money work for you. Kiyosaki says many people spend their lives working for a paycheck. They earn money, pay bills, buy things, and then need to earn more money. He calls this the rat race. Rich Dad taught Kiyosaki to focus on assets. An asset is something that can put money into your pocket, such as a business, investments, or property that creates income. Liabilities, on the other hand, take money from your pocket. Things like expensive cars, large debts, and unnecessary spending can become liabilities. Another important lesson is financial education. Schools teach us many useful subjects, but they often do not teach us how money works. Kiyosaki encourages people to learn about investing, taxes, businesses, saving, and managing cash flow. The book also teaches us not to let fear control our financial decisions. Making money involves risk, mistakes, and learning. Instead of avoiding every risk, we should become smarter and understand the risks we take. Most importantly, Kiyosaki says your mindset matters. Instead of saying, "I can't afford it," ask, "How can I afford it?" This small change can help you look for solutions and new opportunities. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is not simply about becoming rich. It is about learning how money works, building financial skills, and making better choices with your income. Remember, your job can pay your bills, but your financial knowledge can change your future. Want to listen to the full audiobook? Try it with a free trial using the link in the description.